All right, let's talk about something that might just fix one of the biggest headaches for developers using AI today. We're going to look at a new way to get your hands on the best AI models out there, but without all the usual stress of watching every single token. So, to really get why this is such a big deal, we have to start with a problem that, if you're a developer, you probably know all too well. It's a dilemma that coders are facing every single day. I'm talking about this feeling right here: token anxiety. You know what I mean, right? It's that little voice in the back of your head constantly whispering, how much is this going to cost me? Or am I about to blow through my entire budget? That feeling, it can absolutely crush your creativity. And here's what that anxiety actually looks like in practice. You get those jaw-dropping surprise bills. You're trying to manage this messy collection of different API keys for every model you want to try. And pretty soon you start holding back. You stop experimenting, you stop playing around with new ideas, because every little test has a price tag attached. It's just a mess. So what's the escape from all that chaos? Well, there's a new subscription model on the scene, and it's designed to sweep all of that complexity away with one single, simple plan. And this is it, the Alibaba Cloud Coding Plan. It's built from the ground up to tackle every single one of those pain points we just talked about. The whole idea is to make using AI for your coding feel just as simple as, say, your Netflix subscription. And honestly, this quote just nails it. It cuts right through all the noise. Stop counting tokens, stop worrying about crazy bills. It all boils down to one API key for everything at one predictable and, yeah, really affordable price. Okay, so that's the big promise. But what do you actually get? Let's pop the hood and break down exactly what's inside this plan. First things first, the price to get in the door is, well, practically nothing. Your first month to try everything out is just $3. That right there tells you they want developers to actually use this thing without any financial risk. It's a no-brainer. And after that first month, the pricing stays incredibly clear. You've got two options: a light plan for $10 a month, perfect for most everyday coding needs, and then a pro plan at $50 for when you're working on much bigger, more complex stuff. No surprises, just simple, flat billing. Now, this is the really important part. Which models do you get? And this isn't just a random assortment. It's a seriously curated lineup of heavy hitters. You get the whole Qwen family, which is one of the world's top open source LLMs, famous for its coding skills. But you also get other powerhouses like Kimi, GLM, and Minimax, all under one roof. Oh, and get this. Before you even spend that first $3, if you happen to be a new user to Alibaba Cloud, their free trial is gigantic. We're talking 70 times million free AI tokens to play with, plus access to over 80 other cloud products. That's an incredible welcome package. Okay, so a great deal is one thing, but if it's a huge pain to set up, who cares, right? Well, let's see just how easy it is to get this thing up and running. Turns out, it's about as simple as it gets. It's literally a three-step dance. 1, you subscribe. 2, you generate your single API key from the console. And 3, you copy and paste that key and the URL into your coding tool. That's it. You're live. And that third step is so painless because this isn't some closed-off system. It's designed to work with the mainstream AI tools that developers already know and love. We're talking OpenClaw, Cursor, Qwen code, you name it. It just slots right in. So when you add all this up, what does it really mean for your actual day-to-day work? Well, to put it simply, it means you can finally focus on coding instead of accounting. I mean, this slide says it all. The contrast is night and day. The old way was a nightmare of juggling keys, stressing over every token, and just constant cost anxiety. The new way, one key, one flat fee, and the creative freedom to just build cool stuff. This setup also unlocks a massive quality of life improvement. Because all those incredible models live under one API key, you can switch between them instantly. You just type a simple command right inside your tool to jump from Qwen to GLM for a different task. No more digging around in config files. It's just seamless. And all of this really brings us to one final big question. When you combine this level of simplicity, access to the absolute best models, and a predictable flat fee price, are we getting a glimpse of the future here? This model for how developers access AI is incredibly compelling, and it's going to be fascinating to see where it goes.